Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload a photo to Snapseed. So in order to add a photo to Snapseed or upload a photo, what you can do is open the app, click on the plus icon, and then once you're right here you have a few options. You can either open it from your device or you can add a photo from the camera or gallery you want to start editing. You can choose camera, which you can immediately create a photo and then start editing, or you can open your last image you have basically edited. I'm going to use open from device, and then you can literally select any photo you want to start editing. I'm just going to use my previous thumbnail just like this, and once you're right here you have a few options. You have tools where you can change filters, you have looks, where you can change filters, then you have tools right here where you have a lot of tools, and then you can start exporting your photo once you're done editing. But yeah, that's basically what you need to do in order to upload a photo to Snapseed. So if you learned something from this video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.